Welcome back to our new another video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to deploy a project or how to deploy a website. Okay, here is a e-commerce website which I have developed in React.js. This is a front-end website. I have not integrated the back-end part. This is a front-end website. Here is a home projects card. This is a project. Now I'm going to deploy this project on the server. I will explain the process how to deploy into the server at free of cost. Okay, first to deploy a project we need to create a build file to our project. How to create this build file? First open the project files in the VS Code. This is my project. I have opened this project in VS Code. First here I am selecting new terminal. Okay, in this terminal we need to give a command npm install -g server, enter, and after that server -s build. Okay, I'm clicking enter. Now the packages has been installing. We need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, here our packages has been installed. After this again I'm taking new terminal. Now type npm run build. Okay, npm run build. I'm clicking on enter. Okay, now our build file is creating optimized production build. Okay, now our build file has been created. Here is this is our build file. Okay, we need to add this build file to the server. Okay, after creating our build file we need to add this build file to the website. Here to first open the Chrome browser. Here search Netlify. Okay, search Netlify. Here is the first website, this one. Click on this. Okay, here I have already account in this. Simply clicking on login. If you have any queries about this, I will do another video. After sign up, log into this. Okay, I'm logging. I have already logged in. This is my profile. These are the project which I have already deployed. Okay, to deploy a new project, click on add new site. Okay, here click deploy manually. Okay, now you can simply drag and drop the build file which you have created in VS Code. Okay, I am opening the project location first. It is in desktop and it is new app. Okay, here is our build file. I'm simply dragging this and dropping here. Okay, now our build file has been uploading. Let us wait for some time. Please do not refresh. Okay, let us wait for okay. Here we can see our build file has been successfully uploaded, and here we can see open production deploy. Okay, here we can see our website has successfully deployed. This is our link. Okay, 1 minute. We can also change our link URL. I will tell how to change the URL. First here, go to the site configuration and scroll down. Here, change site name. I'm clicking on this. Okay, here you can give. I'm giving as v by Okay, simply save. Okay, this site is already taken. Okay, b by com. Okay, now our URL has been resetted. This is our URL fee by com.netlify app. So our project has been successfully deployed. I will give this website link in the description. You can check through that. Okay, you can share this link to your friends also. Okay, thank you. In our channel, we provide the tutorials on web development. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. If you like this video, share and subscribe to our channel.